All right, DeWalt fans, hang on for this ride. We got a flash sale to explain, and there are some killer deals on tools that never go on sale. And I'll put a link down in the description so that all 5 of these coupon codes automatically apply when you're shopping their website. And I'll dig a little deeper here in a second and show you some of the crazy picks that I found that you can save just tons of money on. Check this out. Save 10% off of combo kits. Okay, so your drill driver and then the ones that include maybe an extra tool and stuff like that. There's actually a way to have like double savings inside of here, and I'll show you in a second. Some of these are discounted like 40%, and then you save an additional 10%. So then we also got 10% off of bare tools, okay? So like if you just wanted the driver, just wanted the drill, you're still saving 10% off of that stuff. 20% off of like the bits and accessories, another 20% off if you're doing batteries and chargers. So you can get the battery or the fast charger that you've always wanted, 20% off today. 20% off of storage. Now, here's where I found some huge savings, okay? Let me show you what I found. All right, a lot of people are after these ToughSystem drawers. These are amazing units, kind of like the pack-out system from Milwaukee, but I actually think that the ToughSystem's a little bit nicer in terms of build quality and these drawers specifically. Now, okay, so you can save 20 bucks off of that, but check this out. We've got a maximum it says maximum discount of 100 per order. Expires February 13th at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So basically when it turns February 14th, this is all over. All right, Valentine's Day, this is all over. So you better get your sweetheart what she wants right now because it's going to be over soon. You might have just said, hey, this countdown says it ends in 9 hours, and this one says it ends in quite like the next day after that. You know what? I don't know. I don't know if all these sales are going both days or not, but I would check. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to scroll down. I'll just show you kind of what they offer in storage, and check this out. Okay, you can get into their rolling cabinets with a 20% off. Now, what's going to happen is you're only going to be able to save a maximum of $100. So it's basically going to be $100 off of that. And this thing right here, these brand new DXL Towers I've never seen them on sale yet. And guess what? All the components are 20% off today. So you can get your stack or your drawer or the whole kit and caboodle if you want. And you're going to save 20% off of those up to $100. You can see another drawer unit here, 20% off of that. Rarely do I see these DeWalt drawers or this massive stack or their tool cabinets ever go on sale. So today, and apparently until February 13th at the strike of midnight, once it turns the 14th, you can get in on this stuff. So let's go through a couple of those double discount deals on the combos. I told you there's a way to get double discounts. Okay, so let me look for one real quick. And some of these add like a third tool. Okay, there's kind of a close one there, but I want a better example. Here's a really good example of the double savings. You can see this has already been marked down. Save 36% off of it already to $229, and then another 10% off at checkout. And I've got all the links down in the description. You click on those and it will automatically apply all this stuff so that you don't miss out on this flash sale. Here's another savings stack here, 30% off of the original price, and then another 10% off. You get the drill, the driver, 2 batteries, and that, what is that, a grinder? Yeah, all right. So search around for what you want. Today's the day that you can save a ton of money on DeWalt combo deals. Another one here, the Sawzall and the impact driver and the drill. $289 with an extra 10% off after that. It's already 33%. Here's a killer one, 44 plus the 10%. So this is a really good deal here. $199 is already 44% off, and another 10% off of that. All right, I think you get the point on these. Let me go through the other stuff. So just a quick look at the 20% off of accessories. It's stuff like this. I'm not going to go through all of it because it's batteries, it's bits, it's covers for your tools, it's grinder wheels, and all this other type of stuff. And they're all 20% off. There's 60 pages of it, 1,400 total results. So if you need anything DeWalt related that's not the tool itself, it's 20% off. Great way to save some money if you're into the DeWalt line, or if you're thinking about getting into a power tool line, today might be your best day to do it. Check out the links in the description for all these codes to automatically apply. Hope you score some deals.